The Jupiter keeps the OEM sunroof, hood, and grille, rides on 16-inch steel wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires, and offer modern LED lighting. The SUV also gets fitted with an Arconic, A-Bar, and Baja Designs LED spotlights, Solahole Heritage badging, and a new roof rack from Front Runner. The suspension is improved with Fox 2.0 shocks, while the original Rover V8 engine and 5-speed manual transmission are fully rebuilt and reconditioned. Finally, Arconic paid special attention to the interior of the Jupiter.